and I'm still sharing some of the things that I've learned from this chapter. So, an effective way to correct others' mistake is to call their attention indirectly. Many people begin their criticism with sincere praise, followed by words, but, and ending with a critical statement. For example, we are really proud of you for your grade, but if you had worked harder, the result would have been better. So, when correcting somebody, do it in an indirect way, indirectly, and use the statement, the word but, after you've praised the person for what the person has done good. Thank you. This chapter, the title for this chapter is How to Criticize and Not Be Hated for It. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I would like you to like, share and comment. Bye.